In agriculture, monumental machinery and sophisticated tools are an inexhaustible source of curiosity. From state-of-the-art harvesters capable of harvesting vast fields in just a few hours to automated sowing equipment, we've always marveled at the leaps and bounds of the industry. These machines conquer challenging tasks and are essential tools for improving agricultural productivity. Behind their complexity lies an innovative combination of human and technological ingenuity, creating incredible masterpieces that are also fascinating and beneficial. The Ox-EE registered trademark electric trailer with automatic guide cable is an advanced line of electric trailers with integrated automatic navigation system. Through the synergy of intelligent control technology and sensors, this vehicle has the ability to move independently and safely, ensuring efficient operation. This allows it to operate without driver intervention, relying on the input of the guidance system. With its obstacle avoidance and precision in performing tasks such as tending the soil and transporting seeds, the Ox-EE registered trademark brings convenience to the transport of goods. John Deere CH570. The cane harvester plays an important role in the sugarcane harvesting process at Greensill Farming. Sugarcane harvesting. Designed specifically for sugarcane harvesting, the CH570 is efficient and precise. Its powerful, fast, and uniform cutting ability optimizes the harvesting process. The synergy between the John Deere CH570 sugarcane harvester and the ACE haulouts equipment creates a powerful synergy in the sugarcane harvesting process at Greensill Farming. This not only improves the efficiency and productivity of the harvesting process, but also ensures the quality of the final sugarcane product. Harvesting red grapes, Czerwone Porzeczki, is an important activity in the agricultural sector, accomplished through a combination of modern machines such as the Zetor 7211 and the URS-US C330. When it comes to harvest time, the ripe red grapes become the target of this process. Zetor 7211 and URS-US C330 play an important role in the red grape harvest. They are equipped with cutting and collecting equipment and tools to separate the red vine bushes from the roots. These machines transport the red grapes to the next processing stage. This process requires precision and technical skill, as red grapes can easily spoil if not harvested properly. Machines like the Zetor 7211 and URS-US C330 improve production efficiency and reduce the time and effort required for the process. Harvesting sunflowers is an important process in the agricultural industry, accomplished through modern machinery such as the John Deere S770 and the Geringhoff Sunlight Horizon 30. Sunflowers are an important crop, not only for providing foods but also their inspiration and natural beauty. The John Deere S770 is a powerful combine harvester designed to efficiently harvest sunflowers and other crops. Equipped with advanced features and technology, this harvester can work precisely and efficiently. The Geringhoff Sunlight Horizon 30 is a versatile plug designed for harvesting sunflowers. This plug can effectively cut and harvest, ensuring sunflowers are harvested correctly and without damage. The sunflower harvesting process with John Deere S770 and Geringhoff Sunlight Horizon 30 ensures high yields, minimizing labor and time. In 2018 at Robinson Farm, the process of harvesting corn silage took place very conscientiously and professionally. This is an important stage in the agricultural cycle, as the corn is ripe and ready to be harvested for hay. Harvesting corn requires specialized but efficient combine harvesters, operated by skilled farmers, to cut and remove stems and leaves from the corn plant. Once harvested, the corn is collected and undergoes a silage process. This is an important process to preserve corn and keep it fresh for a long time. This process is usually done in specialized containers, which are carefully controlled by temperature and humidity, ensuring the corn is well preserved. The harvesting and silage process ensures the corn is properly preserved and maintains its fresh taste and nutritional value. This results in a delicious and appealing corn silage product. The Stihl 661C chainsaw is a leader in the professional wood saw industry. The powerful motor and sharp blade make it an exceptional tool for handling large wood such as poplar. However, cutting wood requires more than a powerful motor and a sharp knife. It requires technical skills and experience. Saw machine users need to know how to adjust and control the machine to ensure safety during work. Concentration and patience are important factors, especially when dealing with large wood. The Stihl 661C chainsaw is certainly a valuable tool for those skilled in the woodworking industry. Its ability to cut quickly and efficiently, combined with technical expertise and experience, ensures that the cutting of trees such as poplars takes place safely and efficiently. With a name as promising as Vitibot, Bacchus has emerged as a symbol of progress in the field of agriculture. Specifically designed for soil cultivation and vineyard care, Bacchus is a standalone device, a lawnmower and fertilizer spreader for the vineyard, powered by convenient and highly efficient electrical energy. The combination of automatic navigation and vineyard functionality is a notable feature of Bacchus. The use of electric power reduces fuel consumption and emissions and ensures quiet and environmentally friendly operation. Vitibot Bacchus demonstrates the importance of technology in optimizing agricultural production, from mowing the lawn to fertilizing the vineyard. The newly introduced Fendt 728 Vario tractor, in partnership with BMW Agri-Service, is a prime example of advancement in the agricultural industry. With the launch of this new model, Fendt aims to improve efficiency and modernize agricultural production processes. In the field of forage harvesting, the Fendt 728 Vario tractor plays an important role. Grass cutting, shredding, and compaction becomes more accessible and efficient with the aid of this tractor. After processing, the forage is stored in silos for fermentation, creating a source of high-quality animal feed in the winter. The cooperation with BMW Agri-Service is essential in providing comprehensive agricultural solutions. Experts from BMW Agri-Service bring in-depth knowledge and experience in forage fermentation, helping to optimize production processes and enhance the performance of the Fendt 728 Vario tractor. If you are a lover of agriculture, give us a like and subscribe to the channel to follow the most impressive agricultural machine performances. The Kubota RA 210 CR wheel rake is a versatile farm equipment designed to collect and organize cut grass or forage into neat rows, making subsequent baling easier. Key features of the wheel rake include an adjustable working width, allowing farmers to adapt to different sizes and field conditions. Strategically positioned rake arms minimize weed loss and ensure even raking. The hydraulic rake height adjustment system makes it possible for the operator to customize the rake height based on the thickness of the grass, improving efficiency and achieving optimal results.